Hey everyone, today we've got our hands on the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G, a feature-packed device that doesn't break the bank. In this video, we will be putting its capabilities to the test, especially the camera. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming up. Launched in March this year, this mid-range smartphone puts AI and camera performance at the forefront. Right out of the box, it feels surprisingly premium, especially for someone like me upgrading from a 5-year-old flagship like Realme 6 Pro. Of course, it's tough to directly compare it with brands like Samsung or Realme, but first impressions are solid. The overall feel is smooth and it's already proving to be a worthy replacement for my old device. Inside the box, you'll find the essentials: a warranty card, a screen protector, and a stylish case with a leather-like matte texture that complements the phone's design and adds a touch of elegance. Tecno also includes a 45-watt fast charger and a USB Type-C cable, so you're ready to go right from the start. I went with the Glacier white variant. It features a clean white base with an icy matte texture that shimmers under different angle of light. The curved triple ring camera module on the back resembles the elegant arc of a swan's neck. In terms of portability, the phone is slim, lightweight, and fits comfortably in hand or pocket. The Camon 40 series also packs dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. For audio output, you'll find a USB Type-C port. There's also an eye-catching flash snap button on the side for quick AI-powered photography and shortcuts. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G variant comes with iOS on Android 15 out of the box, promising major updates up to Android 18. Powered by MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chipset, it supercharges gaming and camera performance. With 8 gigs of RAM and additional memory using MEM Fusion, you can expect faster app launches, smooth multitasking, and lag-free heavy app usage. Plus, 256GB UFS 2.2 storage ensures blazing speeds and ample space for all your needs. The in-display fingerprint sensor works flawlessly, even in low light conditions, unlocking the screen quickly and accurately. As for the headphone jack, the Camon 40 Pro skips the traditional 3.5mm port in favor of a modern USB Type-C. This allows for better digital audio quality, more efficient power delivery, and a more durable design overall. While Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection is featured on the higher-end Camon 40 series, it adds an extra layer of toughness, making the phone more resistant to scratches, drops, and daily wear and tear. The 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with HDR support delivers vibrant visuals and peak brightness, ensuring clear screen visibility even under direct sunlight. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching your favorite shows, or casually scrolling through social media, the 120Hz high refresh rate offers ultra-smooth performance that's built to impress. The LTPO AMOLED panel, paired with a powerful 5200 mAh battery, ensures excellent power efficiency without compromising on smooth display performance. You can enjoy extended usage without constantly worrying about recharging. What really stands out is the battery optimization features. One of my favorites is bypassing charging, which powers the phone directly during gaming, helping to reduce heat and extend battery lifespan. The phone also gives you full control over charging speeds. You can switch between slower, battery-friendly modes or ramp it up with hypercharge to reach 100% in under an hour when you're in a rush. One of the standout AI features in this phone shines during WhatsApp calls. You get real-time bidirectional translation, call summarization, and even the option to record your WhatsApp calls. Feeling playful? There's also a voice changer to switch up your tone based on the situation. And that's just the start. There are plenty of other smart WhatsApp-focused tools. The Camon 40 Pro's triple camera setup is built for creators and casual users alike, delivering sharp photos and high-quality videos, even in low-light conditions. It's packed with features that make mobile photography more exciting. One standout is the Sky Shop mode, which lets you replace the sky in your shots with beautiful dynamic filters, similar to what you'd find on Huawei or Xiaomi phones. There's also a full pro mode for photography enthusiasts who like full manual control. Another cool feature is dual video mode, letting you capture both the subject and your own reaction at the same time, perfect for unboxing tutorials or live moments. Here are some photos I captured in various lighting conditions using both the front and rear cameras. And take a look at these clips. It shows how well the Camon 40 Pro handles image stabilization during video recording. One handy feature across all Camon 40 series phones is the built-in IR blaster. You can easily set up and control your remote devices right from your phone's dashboard. Just add and match your TV, Android TV, box, AC, projector, lamps, and more. No need to hunt for remotes anymore. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. Up next, I'll be testing the gaming performance of the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G. So if you're curious about how it handles games, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. See you in the next one.